Ankita Raj from class 6A. I am going to speak about function and their purpose. Start first, maximum. It returns the largest value in a given range. Second, minimum. It returns the smallest value in a given range. Third, average. It returns the average value of a given range. Fourth, count. It returns the count of a number in a given range. Fifth, sum. It returns the sum of a cell range. Sixth, integer. It returns the decimal part of number. It returns also integer part. 7. Product. It returns the multiple of a number in a given range. 8. Lower in text. It returns the text stream into lower case. 9. Upper text. It returns the text stream into upper case. Length. It returns the length of a number in a text stream. Thank you.
My name is Ved Kumar Gupta. I am studying class 6. Today I am saying functions and their purpose. First function, sum. It returns the sum of a range. Second, product. It multiplies the value of the given range of cells. Third, square. It returns the square root of the given number. Third, power. It returns the result of the number recide to some power. Fourth, max range. It returns the largest value in the given number. Fifth, mean range. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Salah Khan of class 6A. I am here to say about Excel and the functions and their purpose. First, maximum. It returns the largest number in the given range. Second, minimum. It returns the smallest number in the given range. Third, sum. It returns the sum of the given range. Fourth, integer. It removes the decimal part of the number and it returns the integer part. Fifth, length. It returns the length of the text sheet. Sixth, upper text. It returns the it convert text string into upper case. Seven, lower text. It convert the text string into lower case. 8, year. It return the year of the given date. 9, day. It return the day of the given date. And my last one is 10th. Now it return the current system date and time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sapika of class 6. First of all, thank you for Rajesh to give a chance to saying me this. Today I am going to say some functions and their purpose of an Excel. First, statistical functions. First is maximum. It returns the largest value in the given cell range. And second, minimum. It returns the smallest value in the given cell range. And some mathematical functions. Sum. It returns the sum values in the cell range. And then product. It multiplies the values in the selected cell range. Integer. It also called int. It removes the decimal part of the cell range and just returns the integer part of it. And then text functions. First, concat. It joins two or more text strings together. And then uppercase. It converts the text strings into uppercase. And then lowercase. It converts the text string into lowercase. Thank you. That's all.
Hello everyone. My name is Ayat Nigar from standard 6A. Today I am going to say some functions and their purpose. First, sum. It returns sum of a range. Maximum. It returns the largest value in a range. Minimum. It returns smallest value in a range. Average. It returns average of the given number in a range. Length. It returns length of a range. Uppercase. It returns the text string. It converts the text string into uppercase. Lower. It converts the text string into lowercase. Day. It converts the day at the given date. year. It converts the year of the given date. Thank you.
My name is Shivam Kumar, class 6th A. I am going to sorry sir. फिर से start कीजिए. I am going to function and their purpose. Maximum range. It returns the largest value in a given range. Minimum range. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Count range. It returns the count of numbers of values in a selected range. Average range. It returns the average of numbers values of a in a range. Sum. It returns the sum of a range. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shreya Rani from standard 6A. Today I am say about a function and their purpose from Excel. And my first, maximum, it returns the largest value of a range. Second, minimum, it returns the smallest value of a given range. Sum, it returns the sum of a range. And third, it returns multiples of a volume in a cell of a range. Years, it returns the year of the given dates, and now it returns the current system date and time. It thanks.
Hello to everyone. My name is Mayam Khan and I am standing here to tell you some functions and their purposes. First, it's max. It returns the largest value in the given range. Min, it returns the smallest value in the given range. Average, it returns the average of the number in the range. Counts, it returns the count of the number of the cell in the selected cell. Then it returns the sum of a range. Len, it returns the length of the text strings. Int, which is also stand for integers. It returns the integers part and only remove the decimal part. Then concatenate, it joins two or more different text strings. Then it's protect, it multiples the value of this range in the selected cell. Then upper text, it returns the text strings into the upper case. Lower text, it returns the text string into the lower text. That's this for me. Thank you.
My name is Arna Kumar Singh, class 6A. I am going to functions and their purpose. First, maximum, it's return the largest value in the given range. Second, minimum, it's return the smallest value in the given range. Third, average, it's return the average of the given number in a range. The चौथा, count, it's return the count of the number of value in the selected range. Fifth, sum, it's return नहीं आ रहा है.
Good morning everyone. My name is Suhani Kumari Patel. I read in class 6. Today I am discuss about functions and their purpose. First, maximum. It returns largest value in a range. Second, minimum. It returns the smallest value in a range. Third, average. It returns average of the number value in a range. Fourth, count. It returns count of the number. Fifth, condition. If condition value 1, it returns condition evaluates to true. Sixth, if condition value 2, if value 2, it returns value 2. Condition evaluates to false. Thank you everyone.
Good morning to everyone. I am Krishna Raj of Standard 6, Section A. Today I am going to speak about function and purpose. First, minimum. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Minimum. Max. It returns the largest value in the given range. Sum. It returns the sum of the range. Product. It multiples the values in the given range of cells. Upper text, it converts the text string to upper case. Lower text, it converts text string to lower text.
My name is Ujjwal Kumar. I am going to function and their purpose. First, year. It it return year, given date and date. Day, it return date and the day and date. Max, it return largest value in the given range. Minimum, it return smallest value in the given range. Sum, it return sum of a range. Hour, it return hour, date and time.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Pawan Kumar. I study in class 6A. Today I am going to say about functions and their purpose. First, hour. It returns the hour of the given time. Second, upper. It converts the text into upper surface. Third, lower. It returns the text into the lower surface. Fourth, maximum. It returns the largest value in the given range. Fifth, minimum. It returns the smallest value in the given range. Thank you. That's all.